Hello guys, there we have a Samsung washing machine WW80T504DAEA, and today I will show you how you can pair your device with smartphone. So in the first step you have to find and download the SmartThings application. Then of course open it. If you're doing it for the first time, you have to create or log into the Google account. Now click on the devices and choose the plus. Then click on the add Samsung devices and choose the last option, washer. Add a permission to the camera, and now you have to scan the QR code from the front of your device. Now we are verifying the code, and the application is searching for our washer. Now turn on the washer, then press and hold the smart control button. Okay, click continue on the redirect side. Now we have to open the Wi-Fi settings in the phone and enter the password 5 once and 5 2. Choose the washer and enter the password. Now try to connect. Okay, we are connected, so go back to the application and click on the next. Now we have to press the smart control button. Remember to don't press and hold. Okay, there we have a smart control button. Now the washer connecting our phone. And in my case I have to choose the network again. Now choose your normal Wi-Fi network and click on the connect. You can save the Wi-Fi information. And now we have to wait until the process is finished. Okay, the process is finished. As you can see, there we have a success. And basically that's it. Just click on the done. You can set it as the favorite. And now we are downloading the additional data. Basically, that's it. So, congratulations and goodbye.